Hi friends! Mukbang na naman tayo. Ang lamig-lamig na naman dito sa UK. Kaya, our food is, meron akong noodles. Yan. Noodles, spam, egg, ketchup, at saka ang aking coffee. Kasi kailangan ko ng mainit na pagkain. Kasi, it's so cold here. I mean, it's getting really cold again because it's winter time. Kita niyo ba ako? Kaya mainit na pagkain ang ating kainin. Oh, I miss noodles. Ang noodles talaga is comfort food, no? Yung pag malamig, tapos may sabaw, lalo na noodles na may sabaw, comforting siya. Naririnig niyo ba si Molly? Nagpa-park na naman. Ayan. Next time na magmukbang ako ng noodles, hanap ako ng pancit canton. At saka kung may lakimi sila na ma-order ko, bili din ako. Dalawang itlog ang dalawang itlog niluto ko. Kaya lang hiningi ng asawa ko, kaya eggs, oh my goodness. Oh, yan. There you go. At saka nanghingi din siya ng spam. I need a spoon. Soup. Gusto ko tong ano na to. Noodles na to. So good. Ayun na naman ang aking molly. Tumatahol. Binibigyan na siya ng ano? Binibigyan siya ng food ng asawa ko. Kaya lang. Kasi alam niya na kumakain ako kaya gusto niya ding maki-join. Magsaing sana ako. Okay. Gusto ko with kanin. Kaya lang. Sabi ng asawa ko baka heavy na sa'yo kasi lalabas kami mamaya for dinner. So I went out last night with my colleagues, and we went to the restaurant and had dinner and had a few drinks, and then I think I came home about 11, not sure, or maybe earlier than that. And you know when you walk on the road and all you can see are like Christmas lights, but it's not as intense as Philippines, obviously. And then been walking along the road, and I really miss Philippines. You know, seeing all the lights. I just miss the festive season. I just miss Christmas in Philippines. Like, it's been too long that I have not spent Christmas in Philippines, so, and I don't know what it's like anymore. I mean, I'm sure it's still the same, like, as Filipino we celebrate Christmas, it's like nobody's business, so I miss that. So maybe one day I will do like a day vlog just to follow around. I mean, just to show you what I do in the day. I might do that. I feel so much better. Nilagyan ko siya nitong paper towel kasi yung spam pa mamantika. Kaya hindi mantika, well, nag-drip yung so much butter kasi niluto ko siya sa butter kasi wala pa rin akong oil. Ay, nalagyan ko siya ganyan. And I have my coffee. Yeah, my husband made me coffee. It's not black coffee because I feel like if I will just drink, oh, my husband's looking at me, he's such a weirdo. I feel like if I'm drinking black, I feel like if I'm drinking black coffee, like what is the point? Because we're going out for dinner anyway, and we're going out like for a few drinks. So it's like I might as well have like a proper coffee, coffee from the machine my husband made me. So that's that. Look at my nail color. It's so blue. I just love it. Thank you for watching, friends, and I will see you next time on my next mukbang or next video. Thank you. Bye.